to replace this locking ring because I might as well, because it's all rusty. Got a nice new genuine one. But really I want to be looking in the tank, that's why I want to take it off. Just checking the tank there's no sludge, because this is a good opportunity to clean it out if there is any. Problem I'm having, as the ring's turning, the plastic thing that's supposed to sit in the groove here and on the other side is turning as well. So I've got one screwdriver in there, and I lean on that with my left shoulder, and then hold this with my left hand, and then hammer that round. Alright, well that popped up after about one revolution. I think we can say that is going to be contaminating the tank, because that mud is all up in there. Yeah, this is now all of a sudden gross. Damage control to begin with. There's definitely stuff in there. Glad I opened this swirl pot. Look at that. That's not just gunk from now, it's been in there a while. Alright, well this is more or less clean now. Just got a few little bits to get. I need a cotton bud in there. I'm not going to worry extensively about the little particles, because that's what a fuel filter's for. Drained the fuel tank, made a bit of a mess. Most of the big stuff's out, I think. Just got to wipe up and get some of the smaller stuff. That's alright, there's a little bit of sediment there, but I've got a sedimenter. Sedimenter? Must be what it's for, right? But I had to get all the mud out around here. It's been a bit tricky. I'm not sure if this is supposed to go lower. If that's proud or not, but it's difficult to know. Tried to push it down, but it doesn't want to go down anymore. Keep that in. The cutout down here. You're going to get that in. There, so that's marked. I know there's a real tool for this, but that's probably about right. So it's gone from here around once and then to there, so one extra, which is about what it was when it came off, before it popped. Just got to plug it up, feed that up through the top, and then lift it up. It's now completely empty, so it should be pretty easy. And then feed the breather around the chassis rails. This is me in the future. It's funny when you're editing a video, watching yourself struggling with something and just thinking, why didn't I fit the vent hose between the body and the chassis and let it dangle down, and then connect up the fuel tank with the pipes, lift it up a bit, and then try and connect the vent hose. It would have been so much simpler doing it that way than what you're about to see, me struggling to fit the fuel tank. But I guess that is the urge to fit new parts to a fuel tank as quick as possible. Just about making it. Yeah, they're probably pulling the fuel tank up by its vent hose. I think it's time to plug everything up. This breather pipe needs to go up and over. Alright, I think next stage, when I get the cradle in, and I can get up to its final position and pull the vent pipe through. There's the problem. That's better. Oh, this is a sticky job, having undersealed everything. Just loosen this top strap to help me be able to push the cradle up and tighten it on afterwards. I did this once and wrenched down on a coarse thread and completely stripped the threads on the cradle, which is now scrap, unless you can, well, get that stud out and weld in another one. You can see how much this is sprung up. Almost the whole bolt's length. This breather is a bit annoying. I cut it to the same length, but really, it needs to sit there on the two clips, which are both broken. I can't get it over. I can get it to there, but not to the top one as well. So maybe the old one was trimmed down in the past, because I made this to the same length as the old one, and I should have measured it in situ. It's a bit annoying. I could kind of fix by routing it a different way. It routes to that clip there, on the back of here, on that clip, and then it goes up. These were quite easy to get out without snapping and splitting, using the pliers from the Cobra clamps. I only ordered one because only one was broken originally, and then the second one broke during this whole process. And clip it up the top. It went in quite nicely. I'll put that there for the moment. Anti-roll bar is back on, so now I need to do the filler. Got a new grommet to go on here. Just cleaning this up, what you can see there. You can see where the diesel sticker used to be.
it was a good idea to change that one. Might as well check the fuel sediment and now the fuel system's drained, because there's a load of crud I found in the tank. Not horrendous, but it's worth a clean. All back together again, not looking too bad. It's all a bit wet up there because I've just ACF'd down behind the back. Fuel tank back in, it's all clean. Fuel tank's clean inside, chassis clean and treated on the chassis rails. That's all waxed up. All the mud's out of everywhere. That's good. Now I just got to fill it up, but that's the end of the video. Fill it up, lead it through, but anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.